Checking 1,000 times a day on secondary real estate websites is not the only way to stay top of mind of the newest homes hitting the market this spring in Kansas City. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and we would love an opportunity to just talk for 30 to 45 minutes about how we help buyers find their new home. You're looking at criteria online, and an email by that chance could already have the home for sale. So let us be the one that has the search for you on our top of mind to make sure you're getting into the homes that match the features you're looking for, not just a new property that just went for sale. Text us or comment below today, and we'd be happy to make sure you have the most accurate, up-to-date information, and even more important, someone who knows the current market and can assist with the strategies in making sure you actually get to close and move into that home you just saw online that you're looking forward to having as your next home.